10 powerful ways to create information products faster. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video took a lot of work to prepare. And if you want to build digital products faster, smarter, and create a real online income, you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's begin. Number 1. Use PLR as your secret shortcut. One of the fastest ways to create a new info product is by using high-quality PLR content. According to page 2, PLR allows you to take existing material and transform it into something completely your own. But here's the key. Rewrite it enough to make it unique, combine multiple PLR pieces into a brand new product, change the format, text to video, audio, slides. This gives you a product in a fraction of the time while still sounding like you. Number 2. Leverage expert-generated content. Page 3 explains that bringing other experts into your product not only speeds up creation, it borrows their credibility. Ways to do it. Ask multiple experts the same question. Ask each expert different targeted questions. Interview experts and turn the recordings into content. The best part? Their expertise elevates your brand instantly. Number 3. Outsource the entire product. If you want the fastest route, page 3-4 makes it simple. Hire a freelancer. They can create ebooks, checklists, templates, videos, audio lessons, worksheets, tools, mind maps, and more. Once you find a reliable freelancer, you simply send instructions and the product is delivered. Number 4. Outsource the research and outlining only. Maybe you want to write the final product yourself, but hate doing research. Page 4-5 suggests a solution. Hire someone just to gather data and outline it. Examples. Have them collect statistics for a social media guide. Have them collect info on regions, trends, or techniques. Then you simply write based on a ready-made structure. Huge time saver. Number 5. Update an existing product. Page 6-5 explains a brilliant strategy. Update an old product and release it as a new edition. 2 ways. Update a recent product. Expand sections. Add new insights and release a 2.0 version. Completely overhaul an old product. Make it longer, better, fresher, or even convert it into video format. This is one of the quickest ways to create new value without starting from zero. Number 6. Do a webinar and get 3 products at once. Pages 6-7 describe why webinars are gold. A single webinar gives you the live event, the recording, the transcript, ebook, guide, or bonus. You can even cut small segments out and turn them into tripwire products or lead magnets. One webinar equals multiple income streams. Number 7. Splinter an existing product. Page 7 offers a genius hack. Take one part of a bigger product and sell it individually. Examples. Take one module from a video course. Extract a chapter from an ebook. Split out the social media lesson from a marketing course. Sell a standalone segment of a webinar series. This creates a new product instantly and a natural upsell into your main offer. Fast, smart, and highly profitable. Number 8. Combine your existing content. On page 8, the book shows how to turn content you already have into completely new products. Ideas. Combine blog posts into a short report. Combine multiple reports into an ebook. Turn an ebook into a physical book. Turn text into video or video into text. Turn your old posts into swipe files for marketers. Your best content is already sitting on your hard drive. You just need to package it. Number 9. Create products on the fly. Page 9 introduces a powerful idea. Create content while answering real questions. If you coach people or answer emails, you're already creating valuable knowledge daily. Convert those answers into FAQs, mini reports, email courses, training modules. Your audience tells you what they need. You just turn it into a product. Number 10. Use voice-to-text tools to create products faster. Finally, page 9-10 recommends using tools like Dragon Naturally Speaking to speed up writing. You talk, the tool writes. You can also record audio and transcribe it. Have someone interview you on a topic. Turn that conversation into a product. Speaking is faster than typing. Use it to create content at lightning speed. Final message: you can create products faster than you think. Page 10 reminds us of one truth. You don't need weeks or months to create a great info product. You just need smart shortcuts, creative strategies, efficient tools, and the willingness to repurpose what you already know. Using these 10 methods, you can create a complete product in hours, not weeks. Outro. Ask them to subscribe. If this video helped you understand how to build info products faster, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss new guides, strategies, and shortcuts to grow your online business. Stay smart, stay productive, and keep creating value.